Good morning.
Wonderful morning.
You look gorgeous.
Thanks for the compliment.
All the best.
Thanks for the encouragement.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay, never mind.
Congratulations.
Thank you for the kind words.
You're so talented.
Thank you for recognizing my abilities.
You did a great job.
Thanks for acknowledging my effort.
I'm sorry for the misunderstanding.
It's okay, let's clarify things.
I apologize for my mistake.
I understand, we all make mistakes.
I admire your perseverance.
Thank you for noticing my dedication.
You're such a good listener.
I appreciate you noticing that.
You're really good at problem solving.
Thanks for recognizing my skills.
You have a great sense of humor.
Thank you for the compliment.
The weather is nice today.
Yes, it's quite pleasant.
The traffic is terrible.
Yes, it's been heavy lately.
This food is delicious.
I'm glad you enjoy it.
You're so thoughtful.
I'm glad you appreciate it.
You're always so positive.
Thanks for noticing.
You're a great friend.
Thank you, that means a lot.
You're very kind-hearted.
Thank you for saying that.
I'm really sorry for being late.
It's all right, don't worry about it.
I apologize for any confusion.
No worries, let's clear things up.
I'm sorry for not being there for you.
I understand, let's talk about it.
I'm sorry for the inconvenience.
Thank you for your apology.
You're incredibly talented.
Thank you so much, that means a lot.
You have a wonderful smile.
Thanks for noticing, it brightens my day.
You always have such great ideas.
I appreciate the compliment, thank you.
You're an inspiration to others.
That's very kind of you to say, thank you.
You're a natural leader.
I'm honored you think so, thank you.
You're really good at explaining things.
Thank you, I try to make it clear.
You're such a good listener.
I'm glad you feel that way. I value our conversations.
You have a unique perspective.
Thank you for acknowledging that. I try to think outside the box.
You're very patient.
Thank you, it's something I strive for.
You have a great sense of humor.
Thanks, laughter is important to me.
Let's keep talking, shall we?
Sure, let's keep talking.
Can you dance?
Yes, but not very well.
What can you do?
I can cook.
How well can you cook?
I can cook very well.
What else can you do?
I can tell jokes.